Is there a certain age at which restoring virginity naturally is not possible?
Hello, and welcome to our discussion today. In this video, we're going to unravel some misconceptions and truths about a topic that's often misunderstood, the restoration of virginity. We'll delve into its meaning, its biological implications, and answer the burning question, is there a certain age at which restoring virginity naturally is not possible?
What does restoring virginity mean?
First, let's establish what we mean by restoring virginity. Virginity, traditionally, refers to someone who has never engaged in sexual intercourse. However, this is a societal concept rather than a biological one. In many societies, virginity is associated with the intact hymen, a thin piece of mucosal tissue that surrounds or partially covers the external vaginal opening. The idea of restoring virginity often refers to the restoration of this physical state, the hymen.
Can the hymen be naturally restored?
The hymen does not have regenerative properties. Once it's stretched or torn, usually through sexual intercourse, but also through other activities such as sports or tampon use, it cannot naturally regenerate or heal back to its original state. Thus, the concept of restoring virginity naturally, in the context of hymenal restoration, is not biologically possible.
Is there an age limit to restoring virginity?
Given that the hymen cannot naturally regenerate, the answer is quite simple. There is no age at which it becomes possible or impossible to restore virginity naturally because biologically, it simply cannot happen. Age, in this context, is not a factor. However, it's important to note that there are surgical procedures known as hymenoplasty or hymen reconstruction surgery, which can physically restore the hymen. These procedures are usually performed for cultural or personal reasons and not for medical necessity.
What's the bottom line?
Virginity is a social construct, not a medical or biological condition. Our understanding of it and the importance we place on it varies widely among different societies, cultures, and individuals. The concept of restoring virginity is largely a social and cultural one, rather than a biological possibility. Thank you for joining us in this discussion. We hope that this video has helped clarify the myths and facts surrounding the restoration of virginity, and the biological impossibility of doing so naturally. Remember, it's always important to respect individual choices and cultural beliefs, while also promoting accurate knowledge and understanding. Stay curious, and keep asking questions.